I just woke up and Ollie and I have been chilling on the bed and just having a lazy morning. I did place an order for some groceries, so we'll get into that. I have to do some meal prepping. I want to do some spring cleaning and just tidying up around the house. So let's get to it. Okay, so now that I'm all done getting ready for the day, I'm going to put away this Costco stuff that we got from yesterday. Gunnar is grabbing our groceries now. I had a pickup order, so he's going to pick those up. And when he comes home, I'm going to start meal prepping. I do have a dentist appointment at 1 o'clock that I kind of forgot about, so definitely need to do that. But yeah, let's get to it.
You were my best friend, didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends.
Hey guys, welcome back to a very productive video. Today is such a good video. There's so much packed in here. So I'm restocking the kitchen, I'm meal prepping, I'm folding a crap ton of laundry, and I'm just getting ready for the week and just cleaning up everything. So I hope you stick around to the end and I hope you enjoy.
Just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep in your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep. Where did it begin? Where did it end? Hanging on loose strings, unable to bend. I never listened.
This is your sign to check out the bottom of your dishwasher and clean it out right in where the door shuts to. It gets really kind of gross, so I always try to clean this at least once a week, if not, every other week, and clean out the little filter thing, which is super easy to do, and you just clean it with soap and water and it's brand new.
We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep in your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young forever. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young forever. I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old.
So cleaning out my freezer was not on my to-do list, but I think it was getting to the point where I wasn't able to close the door anymore. So that was one of those things that I just had to do. So it turned out really nice. Everything fits in there very well now. So I'm happy I did it. It's just, that's one of those things I just don't like doing at all.
Like a letter off the Kinda used to these battlegrounds where never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. You make me wanna do better, I don't know why. You make me wanna do better. You make me wanna do better, I don't know why, I don't know why. Like I'm better off with like I'm better off with every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you.
So I recently made the switch to avocado oil. I wanted to try instead of, I believe it's instead of like canola oil. It's supposed to be better for you. So I've been using it for about a week now and I really like it.
In our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. We are close, can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it, that we can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right? We're the only ones who can decide. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now.
Now that I've wasted 30 years of my life cutting all those kiwis, I'm going to start meal prepping. This week I was making a Cajun chicken Alfredo and a honey garlic salmon, so I'll leave those recipes in the description box for you.
like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different, still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments, doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your colors, they kinda tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with the way we are and the way we lose it. There's something different about us, and the reason why we stay. We fly around like paper planes, they never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about us. There's something different about us. We're pouring cup after cup after cup. Yeah, it's just the way we do it. Anything just to block out the real life, real life. Yeah, we're loving the way they think we're so messed up.
So this day, Gunnar and I went to dinner after I was done meal prepping. So when we came back, I got my PJs and I started tidying up our bedroom. I just had a bunch of makeup and hair stuff everywhere, so I just cleaned that up. And then I folded a pile of laundry.
I think we're searching for reasons not to be like them. We fly around like paper planes, they never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about us. There's something different about us. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about the way we are.
A minute ride made me lose my way. 1 minute high, knew my life would change. And I was hoping that you could stay. The city lights, will that remain? Oh, I hate saying goodbyes. I wish that time went slow, but I know it ain't too long before we meet. I wait for you. No, I wait for you. Nothing can break us two. I wait for you. Counting every hour, every second makes it easier to keep on breathing. At night in my dreams, I find peace. I remember it all. And all it takes is faith. Oh, I hate saying goodbye.
Alright guys, as this video comes to a close, I just want to say thank you so much for being here and watching my video. I appreciate you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!